You have seen your friends and neighbors going solar to pay less for electricity, increase property values, and to benefit from the 30% solar investment tax credit. Most likely, you are looking into solar as well. You know, going solar can get confusing. Your house is unique, and you want the right system installed by the right installation company. Hi, my name is Amir. I'm an electrical engineer with over 10 years experience designing, configuring, and installing solar electricity systems. I'm the CEO and founder of RenuLogix, which is a cloud-based solar installation platform. We have made it easier and more affordable for you to go solar all online and hassle-free, so you save more with confidence. Here is how it works. You provide us with a few basic information. Based on that, RenuLogix configures your system and provides you with multiple offers from top vendors and pre-qualified installers, so you compare and choose your preferred choice. Again, all online and hassle-free. If you need assistance, you are one call away from our success project managers throughout the process. We pride ourselves on many things, such as our online easy process, top warranties, competitive pricing, and flexible financing options. A few minutes of your time cuts your electricity costs for many years to come. That is why it increases your property value. It is a no obligation process. To check your choices, please click the link to initiate the process. Thank you very much for your time in advance, and we are looking forward to welcoming you to the family of RenuLogix homeowners.